Howdy, everyone. We did our project over marshmallow and vanilla flavored ice cream, but our key point was to make sure that this was kosher. Um, my name's Rosemary Hartman, and I'd like to take the opportunity to allow my group members to introduce themselves as well.
Hi, my name is Audrey Benson, and I am a part of this project as well.
My name is Emma Howell, and I'm also part of this project.
Howdy, my name is Cadence Ferguson.
And I'm Carly Denton.
And I'm Annie Gong.
A creamy dessert delight. That is what we call this. Vanilla ice cream is rich and creamy, and this one includes pockets of airy, soft marshmallows. Made using kosher quality components, it's created with close attention to detail, guaranteeing both cleanliness and separation from non-kosher items. This is approved by top-tier kosher certifiers. What is kosher? Kosher is meals prepared according to Jewish law, separating meat from dairy. Every item used has been strictly kosher. This originates from approved sources untouched by anything forbidden, and it must gain approval from major kosher certification groups, as seen below.
So, how it's consumed in the target market. So, you could have this ice cream in a cone, cup, or sundae, or even rolled up as a milkshake. The target market is people who follow Jewish dietary laws and how people have food prepared in a very specific way, or people just wanting to try a new flavor that has true ingredients.
So, the ingredients list for the ice cream would be a vanilla ice cream base, milk and cream from kosher certified sources, some kosher certified vanilla extract, ice cream stabilizer, kosher salt, pure cane sugar, and compliance processed on equipment not shared with dairy or meat products. All equipment must be sanitized and kosher. And then for the marshmallows, it's going to be made out of kosher fish gelatin, pure cane sugar, simple syrup, kosher salt, kosher certified vanilla extract, powdered sugar, cornstarch, and kosher cooking spray.
For our process flow, we have 5 kosher control points. The first one is sourcing ingredients, and then you have pasteurization and homogenization, and then there's blending and mixing, freezing and cooling, and then the last one is packaging and storing. So ingredient sourcing is verifying the kosher certifications, which then guarantees the integrity of the product. And then for pasteurization and homogenization, this heats the contents to a certain temperature to kill the bacteria, ensuring the safety and smoothness of the texture. And then for mixing and blending, it is combining the vanilla ice cream base and then the marshmallows together. And then cooling and freezing, make sure the ice cream's exit temperature is safe and prevents bacteria growth. And then the last one, packaging and storing, is ensuring the product is properly sealed and stored, which then maintains the kosher integrity.
Now I'll be talking about where you can find kosher food options in Aggieland. First, we have the halal meat market. This is a meat market that offers halal meat. It's not explicitly kosher certified, but they are helpful for meat supply and specialty ordering. If you keep kosher, it's best to contact them to see if they can provide kosher supervised meat. Next, we have Aggieland Kosher, which is a grocery and meal service tied to the campus Jewish Center. It's great for takeaway or pre-ordered kosher meals. We also have the Mediterranean Buffet, which offers halal certified Mediterranean cuisine. It might be a safer option compared to non-kosher restaurants, but it's important to check meat sourcing and preparation if you keep kosher. And then finally, there is the Jewish Center at Texas A&M, which offers community and meal plan services and religious services. It's reliable. It's a very reliable resource for students and visitors that are keeping kosher. When choosing, it's important to remember to ask about kosher supervision, meat and dairy separation, and if you need to reserve ahead. Thank you.
In conclusion, our delicious dessert is crafted with quality kosher ingredients with the cleanliness you can trust. It provides a fun and tasty treat while still following the Jewish dietary laws through every single critical control point. From a kid's day out to a big celebration, this creamy, fluffy ice cream is the perfect kosher delight for any occasion. Thank you so much for listening to us today and have a wonderful day.